got a Vanish Father versus Guys Father. He wins. Which one? Vanish Father is win. First battle. At the second battle, he wins. Oh, shit! Oh! I dropped it. Sorry. Second battle, Vanish Father wins. For the third battle, I have to do first Vanish Father because he's a robot. My other one, the guys, is not robot. It's fake. 3, 2, 1. Oof. God. The winner is Vanish Father. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comments. This is how you have comments to fight my base. This is how I have the base. Thanks for watching. Bye.